So, Vladimir Propp was born in Russia, was a scholar, he was also a folklorist. So basically what he says is that there are 7 certain types of characters within a typical narrative. So these characters are, so we have the hero, the villain, the donor, the helper, the princess, the dispatcher, and the false hero. So the hero goes off on a journey and he's the good guy. The villain is the bad guy who wants to stop the hero. The donor is someone who wants to help the hero along on his journey or gives him good advice. The helper is someone who helps the hero along on his journey. This could be a friend. For example, Lord of the Rings, Frodo's friend, Samuel helps Frodo in his journey. So that would be an example of a helper. So the princess is someone who needs to be saved, a damsel in distress, or someone who is not necessarily a princess, but the reward at the end of the journey. So the dispatcher sends the hero on their journey. Finally, we have the false hero. The false hero pretends to be the hero's friend, but then he gets found out of his deception. So these are the 7 character types. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.